Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
The grain and rice cooker has 2 automated cleaning modes. Select the Clean option from the main menu. Select the Descale or Pre-Wash Pot mode function to start the cleaning cycle process. The pre-wash pot cycle utilizes a heated soak feature to loosen or remove residue on the sides of the bowl. Once the cycle has finished, drain the pot in the sink to continue cleaning in either the sink or dishwasher. Cleaning the pump through Descale can be done in 2 stages. Clean with a vinegar/water mix. Fill the water tank with vinegar to the half line and water to the max line on the water tank and press Start. Once the cycle has finished, drain the pot in the sink to continue cleaning in either the sink or dishwasher. Flushing the system. Fill water tank with water to half line to flush the water and vinegar solution out of the system. Manual cleaning. Remove the ceramic pot, inner lid, and steam collector to clean. The ceramic pot, inner lid, steam collector, water tank lid, and steam basket are all dishwasher safe. Clean the ceramic pot, inner lid, and steam collector after every cycle.